Would you like to design amazing visuals and videos, using the same character in different scenes? And completely free of charge, now I'm going to tell you about a fantastic artificial intelligence tool. With this tool, you can create visuals and also turn them into videos. Let's get started. Open your browser and type Artflow. Go to the Artflow website. Don't worry, I will leave all these links in the description of the video. Yes, you will be greeted by such a page. Here you can create, produce new scenes, design videos. Remember that it will cost about 1 or 2 credits to produce an image. Yes, now let's start creating our actor, or rather our character. For this, of course, we need to log into Artflow. You can easily log into this site with your Gmail account. Now, after accepting the rules, we can start creating our character. Click here, and then such a page will appear. Here we will select the gender of our character and the age range. Then we will give our actor a name. I'm using my own images here so that Artflow can train this character. We need to upload at least 10 or more images to ensure a good character structure is shown on the side, so that there are no issues like distortions on the faces. It also shows whether the number of images is sufficient. I will upload 2 more images and then press the Start button to train my character. Here, because I used a name for my character, it asks me to change the name. I immediately change the name and press the Start button again to train the character. Of course, at this point, it suggests that we purchase a premium plan to ensure faster production, but we will proceed with the free plan. Free of charge. However, here it asks for your credit card information, stating that it will not charge your card. This is to verify that you are a real person. Then the training process begins. You can enter your credit card information without fear, but I recommend entering virtual card information here. Meanwhile, the training process can take approximately 3 to 4 hours. During this time, we can go to ChatGPT and get a prompt for the scene we will create in Artflow. For example, I mentioned that I will shoot a YouTube video and that I want to create a scientist on a spaceship. And with this text, it prepares a long, detailed prompt for me. But I need only one prompt, so I wrote, feed this prompt into my actor. Then I'll copy this and use it in Artflow. The training is still ongoing, and actually, to speed it up, I need to upgrade the plan, but I will wait. Yes, it's finally ready. Such a character has been created. Now I will talk about how we will dress up or create this character for different scenes. I immediately give my character a name. Actually, the name I wrote at the beginning is already here. Now I copy the prompt I got from ChatGPT into the scene. Then, since my actor's name is already Olivia, I deleted the actor part and clicked Generate. As you can see, it will spend 1 credit. It had given me 100 credits. And in the end, I will wait for it to give me this character created in a spaceship. And here it is. For visuals are ready. Artflow produces these visuals with 1 credit. Let's take a look. It has designed me quite like a serious scientist and placed me in a spaceship. I think it's very successful. Yes, you can download these visuals for free, as you like. Also, it doesn't ask for any payment. There are styles here. In Artflow, you can create different cartoon styles or things like movie scenes. I made a different selection here. I chose the 16:9 ratio here. There are also different production stages here. When you do a preview, you can select version 3, or choose a specific scene here. But I will continue using the general mode, and click Generate. Yes, it quickly placed me in the spaceship again. I think it's quite realistic. By the way, I can later animate these visuals. I might share that as well if you're curious to watch. Yes, it has created a very successful character. And the characters are integrated into the scene seamlessly, without any facial distortions. And now, let's take a look at the other features of Artflow. Here it also offers us ready-made templates. Artflow allows us to embed the same character into different scenes. For example, there's a Christmas theme, men and women cooking in the kitchen, winter concepts, cartoon characters, and many more scenes ready for use with prompts. As you can see, having so many options in the free plan is great. I immediately chose a cartoon prompt here. Clicked Generate again. As you can see, here you can create different cartoon scenes. And yes, it turned my same character into a cartoon mode again. And my visuals were created quickly. This tool really provides different ideas. You can also use the blessings of artificial intelligence with Artflow. In this way, maybe you can even create your own influencer and start collaborating with brands. And maybe start your own kids channel. What do you think? Pretty good, right? With 100 credits in the free plan, you can create amazing visuals. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. I will do my best to answer. If you've watched the video up to this point, I would love your subscription and a like.